When you receive GenoSensor's water analysis kit, it is important to store the aluminum bag in the -20°C freezer. This lab can be fun for students because it is a real-world application allowing students to collect their own water samples from wherever they want and test them for possible contaminants. The aluminum bag contains 4 tubes, the PCR master mix, a positive and negative control, in addition to a DNA ladder for gel electrophoresis. Keep all the tubes on ice during use. Set the heat block to 95°C, fill it with water or sand to maximize heat transfer. It is suggested that labs are divided into 6 working groups with 4 people per group to handle the different samples. These should be 1 positive control, 1 negative control, and 2 testing samples for each group. Pipette 50 microliters of your water sample into a microcentrifuge tube. Place the samples in the heat block or water bath at 95°C for 1 minute, then immediately place on ice for 5 minutes, then spin in a microcentrifuge for 10 seconds. Thaw the 2x PCR master mix, then spin it in a microcentrifuge at 6,000 RPMs for 10 seconds. Vortex it for 10 seconds, then spin it again for 10 seconds. The contents of the aluminum bag contain enough samples for up to 6 lab groups. Follow protocol procedures to mix the 2x PCR master mix with each of the collected samples in addition to the positive and negative control. Load the samples into the thermocycler. Follow the PCR protocols in the manual when running the thermocycler. If there is no time to continue, store the samples at -20°C until the following lab period. When running the resulting samples through gel electrophoresis, follow standard procedures with a 1% agarose gel with DNA dye such as gel red or CyberSafe. It is best to keep the gel in the dark during the cooling and gelation process, in preparing the agarose gel as well as when running the gel. Once the gel is run, view it under UV lamp. To order kits and for more information, visit the GenoSensor website.